today I'm going to show how I make GIMP look more like Photoshop. So I'm going to open GIMP here. You've got this stuff here. You have your different tools here when it's default. But you also have these little arrows. Something I do is I close all the tabs on this side just by clicking this arrow. Just close those. And then I bring this over like that. So I get just a single bar. Like I'm gonna go ahead and close this tab. The fonts I leave open, the pattern. I usually will close this pattern one. Brushes I leave. But I go here and then I add, let's see, I think I'm going to add it right here. I'm going to add tab. Now this version of GIMP 2.10 is more aware of high DPI because this is in 4K. What I'm looking for here is the navigation. Move this over there. Move that there. But that's really it for customizing GIMP's layout. You can obviously make it look very, very close to Photoshop. But if anyone has any questions, please comment, like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell for future notifications of upcoming videos. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.